Malalim ang pinagmula ng musikang Pilipino. Noon pa man, love songs na talaga ang tinutukan ng mga Pilipino para dito sabihin lalo na ang pagmamahal at pag-ibig sa bayan laban sa mga dayuhang mananakop.
Since the time of the Spanish colonial period, na-realize po ng mga Pilipino na we are under Spain kasi bawal nga po mag-express ng nationalismo, otherwise they can get killed. They would write kundimans which were love songs that covertly express one's love for the country.
General Douglas MacArthur's call on President Lenin Quezon.
Nung dumating po yung mga Amerikano, pinagbawal po yun for the meantime po. Kasi they found it subversive. During that time po, we were introduced to the Boda Bill. Which had elements of the 1920s American music. Dumating po yung mga Hapon.
The Japanese invasion of the Philippines was conducted on schedule.
Pinagbawal po anything American. So, bumalik po tayo dun sa kundiman po, which again expressed our love not only for our significant other, but also for the country.
Makalipas ang ilang dekada at napakaraming karanasan, paano natin ngayon i-define ang Filipino music?
1970s po, nagkaroon ng OPM as coined by the late Danny Javier. And then that was the time that we are able to develop our own Filipino pop music.
When you say Filipino music ba yan?